this is Mike J. Welcome to the channel. I just had the oil change on my Mustang with 20,335 miles on the clock. And I could have sworn I heard some typewritering going on, believe it or not. But I was 2 minutes into the video and I noticed the noise. Well, the last time I had the oil change on this car, it didn't do it. So let's let it run a little bit, because I just came home from the dealership, 2 miles drive. I do have the air running, so what you hear the clicking is the compressor off and on, but you will know if it's an air conditioning compressor or not. We're going to do some wheel well action.
See, you just heard the AC just kicked on. That was the AC. That was the AC. There we go. Did you hear it? Did you hear it? Did you hear it? That was the AC. AC. Typewriter. Typewriter.
I'll be goddamn. Second gen Coyote. Oil change. Type. Let's hope it goes away. I noticed that, you know, when I have my 14, right after the oil change it does it, and then it goes away. I'll never do it again until your next oil change. Even these, I'm not sure of. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Oil change is scary business. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment, tap the notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. These are perfect. No tick. We'll see you in the next one.